What does it take to get some honesty around here? I got my heart on my sleeve in a world of veneer. What a crazy time to fall behind. I'm running the race to find there is no finish line. What if I try to be kind and it comes at a cost? What if in trying to be found I end up getting lost? What a crazy time to lose my mind. I'm running the race to find there is no finish line. If you dream of the stars and that's all that you do, but I don't mind. I know life can't be won, but count the things you've done. I'm running the race to find. Oh, I'm running the race to find there is no finish line. Thank you.